Design engineers in the aerospace industry are constantly challenged to improve fit and function of components used in commercial and military aircraft, as well as spacecraft. Parts used in these aircraft must withstand high stress, corrosive conditions with long-term use, and must meet highly demanding cycle life specifications. Regardless of the manufacturing method used, these parts will most likely contain surface anomalies that can lead to premature failure. In many cases, the electropolishing process has been incorporated to remove these anomalies, such as fissures and cracks. By eliminating these defects, it enables parts to pass fatigue testing while eliminating costly redesigns and delays. Today, aircraft and spacecraft manufacturers utilize this process as the final step of production to improve cycle life and prevent premature part failures. Electropolishing is often referred to as a reverse plating process. Electrochemical in nature, electropolishing uses a combination of rectified current and a blended chemical electrolyte bath to remove flaws from the surface of a metal part. While electropolishing is best known for the bright polish left on a surface, there are some important, often overlooked benefits of this metal finishing method. These benefits include deburring, microfinish improvement, ultraclean finishing, improved corrosion resistance, and others. These metal improvement benefits are highly desirable to design and production engineers for cost savings and product lifespan improvement. Able Electropolishing has established ongoing relationships with numerous aerospace vendors, helping these suppliers of aircraft components produce high-quality, reliable parts. We can electropolish nearly any alloy, including stainless steels, copper, aluminum, titanium, nitinol, nickel, carbon steels, and specialty alloys. Our ISO 9001 certification and associated quality program allow us to deliver quality parts time after time. With the help of our electropolishing services, your aerospace components can benefit from a metal finishing process that helps ensure they meet all industry standards. If you want to see the best results from metal finishing for aerospace parts, turn to Able Electropolishing today.